This bunk bed will let you use the space of your ceiling which you never thought you could utilize. The top bunk can serve as a meditation space because of its refreshing ambience. This bunk bed offers several storage shelves to maximize all the available space while maintaining the aesthetics of your kid's room. You no longer have to worry about what angle to choose because every corner of the bunk bed is photo-worthy. Besides that, it has a guardrail to ensure the safety of your kid. This house-shaped bunk bed will give your kids the feeling of having their own mini house. It has a realistic big door and open window with plant decoration. The floating bunk bed looks very organized because it does not have a messy ladder all the time. You may hide it on your ceiling whenever you have visitors. It has a minimalist exterior design that fits both the taste of male and female. Its ladder has a combination of blue and black colors. If you want to get rid of your bunk bed, you can do so with its foldable design. When folded, it will appear just like the wall. It is an ultimate space saver that is best for 3 children occupying a small room. The ladder of the bunk bed can be used as a storage shelf where you can place books, clothes, etc. This time, the bottom bunk will no longer be annoyed of having the top bunk as its view.